Namaste everyone, my name is Tara. Today we are going to do Eka Pada Bhujasana, which is arm strengthening pose basically, but requires some preparations because it's a quite intermediate and advanced pose. So if you are beginners or planning first time trying Eka Pada Bhujasana, it will require strength from your wrist, it requires strength from your arm, requires strength from your shoulders and your neck. Also require strength from your lower back, strength from your core, and strength from your hip flexors and the flexibility from the hip flexors. So these are the main points. You can follow our other video how to strengthen the wrist, how to strengthen the arms, how to strengthen the upper shoulder area, how to strengthen the necks, how to strengthen the lower back, how to strengthen the core, how to create the flexibility in hip flexors and strengthen the hip flexors. To learn about that, for those practice you will be able to achieve this pose. So let's go further into the practice step by step. So first is safety requires, which we call contraindications. So if you have any major issues with your belly, you should avoid this pose. Any recent operation is there which haven't recovered fully or need some more recovery, you must avoid this pose. A woman who they are pregnant or having heavy menstruations, avoid this pose or practice under teacher's guidance. If you have wrist pain, avoid this pose. If you have shoulder pain or neck pain, must avoid this pose. If you have cervical problems, also practice under teacher's guidance. Also requires strength from your core. So if you have any major issues connected with your core, avoid this pose. The rest is safe to practice. So let's follow the practice. I'm going to sit in Dandasana in the beginning. It will require a little warm up if you're going to get into the pose. That warm up will be, I'm bending my left leg so you can see me clearly from there. I'm holding my legs, moving closer to my chest and curling my leg like a curling baby and giving little massage to my hips. Little warm up for the hips and little warm up for the knee, lifting up and down, lifting up and down. You need a slow movement with inhalation lifting up, with exhalations moving down. For a few times practice here, then bring your foot top up to your extended leg thigh and do a little half butterfly, inhaling, lifting knees closer to the chest, exhaling, moving legs down towards the mat. So a few preparation will be required. And after that, bending your left knee, extend your arms to the front, insert your left arms under your left inner thigh, like this. Move your palms closer to your hips. Other palms also closer to the hips. Look forward. Now flex your foot here, flex your foot here. Right foot flex, left foot flex. It means both foot should be flexed. So what happens when the foot is flexed, your leg is more strong. You are using the strength from your hip flexors. Now from here, I'm going to push the floor and lifting my hip off the mat. Holding this pose for 6 to 8 breaths and then releasing. Now the next level. Inhaling, lifting hips off the mat, keeping your foot flexed, quads engaged and lift your other leg off the mat. Look forward and breathe. Keep rolling your shoulders back, turn around your shoulders, shoulders away from the ears. Follow some alignment here and breathe. Taking 6 to 8 breaths, then slowly move your extended leg down and release other one down and relax. So this was Eka Pada Bhujasana. When we were in the pose, we got the benefit to strengthening the wrist, we got the benefit to strengthening arms, strengthening upper shoulder. So the preparation was required to strengthen those areas, but same benefit we get here into the pose when we will be able to hold the pose. So this is the nice and beneficial things in any intermediate and advanced pose. So sometimes question comes why I should practice advanced if I'm enjoying beginner pose, because the beginners, there are different poses which they gives you different benefits in certain area, but when you move towards the intermediate or advanced pose, you get those same benefit which you are having from 10 different poses, you get the benefit only from one poses. So this is the specialty of intermediate or advanced pose. Hope you enjoy your practice. Dear friend, if you like my video, please hit the like buttons. Don't forget to subscribe. Share your comments below. Thank you. Namaste.